Good morning. So we're in beautiful Turnberry Marina this morning, and today is Boat Show Move It. We're here in Aventura, Florida, and we're gonna go move this Sunseeker 66 to Bahia Mar, which is in Fort Lauderdale, and prepare for the boat show. We have about 1,500 boats going in today, so it's gonna be a little bit of a cluster. It's gonna be fun, and should be some traffic. So I'm gonna give you guys more insight as we go in. Here's a look at the boat. Crew is getting ready and we're about to take off. We are up on the fly bridge. Crew is just relaxing. Let's go down below. We got the fenders out. We're probably about 30-40 minutes away from pulling into Bahia Mar. We're a little early, but just giving you guys a tour. What's it gonna be like heading into the show? Just keep you guys updated. Got some work we still need to do. Boat show's about 5 days away, 6 days away, something like that. Can't remember. And this is always fun. So we finally got into the show. We're in. Little delayed. Boats moving in. Boats didn't make it on time, but overall we got in. Wasn't as big as the cluster as I thought it was going to be this year. We got in pretty quickly, which is awesome. And the boat show is hectic. You know, people don't see behind the scenes of boats being late. So now you're switching out displays with other boats, and it can be a very tense moment. But all in all, we got it together. We got in quickly, and now it's just boat being clean, Stu getting on board, making sure you know the layout of the boat show, where you need to take clients. But overall, it was fun. Coming in this year, not a lot of cussing or boats banging into each other. You know, sometimes over a few years it's been windy and rainy, and this time we got really fortunate with the weather this year. So hope you guys enjoy, and we'll keep you guys updated during the show. come by and see me.